What is happening, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video. I hope you're well, I hope you're safe and healthy. Let's begin right away with this unboxing of this little guy right here, the Nikon Z5 with the 24-50mm kit lens. And as you see, this box is a little bit roughed up, as they say. And because this is a returned item to a store, so I got this for a pretty good deal. And you know, let's unbox it together, and I'm just really curious to see if this is any good. The Nikon Z5. The reason why I say Z, by the way, is because Dragon Ball Z. So deal with it. Oh, here it goes. Bum, bum, bum. Alright, user manual. Always nice to look up things. Alright, some extra papers. Okay. This must be the body. This must be the lens. Let's take out first the non-important things. A Nikon Z neck strap. Put that aside. A nice battery charger. I wish Sony cameras use this actually. It makes life a bit easier. And this is also a power plug for the battery. And where's the battery itself? Maybe inside of the camera, I'm not sure. Let's check out the lens first. I'm wondering if this has some kind of weird construction. You know, you have to turn it all the way around. Okay, nice little compact lens. So yeah, that's what I mentioned, right? So it's compact, but then if you want to use it, you have to extend it a little bit. All right, cool. Okay, let's put that aside. I really hope that the battery is inside of this camera, because otherwise we got a huge problem. I have to send it back to the store. All right. Okay, some extra papers here. Let's put that here. Let's put this aside. Oh, there's the battery. Huh. Here it is. Phew. It's always a little bit scary sometimes when you buy returned items, because sometimes things are not present anymore. Here it is, guys. The Nikon Z5. Looking pretty sweet. Feels really sweet, by the way. It really feels like my Sony a7 III, actually, to be quite honest with you guys. Maybe with a better grip, but it looks really cool. I like the look. Nice full frame sensor. Look at this, guys. Look at the sensor. Sexy, right? Gonna put the little lens on it, because I don't want to have my sensor exposed all the time. It's always the other way around with Nikon. It's quite beefy. So what do we have on the side? We got 2 SD card slots. Nice. And one of the reasons why I never use a Z6 or a Z7 was because they didn't use a normal SD card slot or a normal SD card. They use a XXQD or something, and that will cost you around 200 bucks, 200 euros. And I really don't want to spend that kind of money for a memory card. And here we got the microphone and headphone jack. Right, nice rubbers. So I think it's a little bit more of a weather sealed camera. HDMI, and I'm not sure what this is. Some kind of tethering thingy, and how I'm gonna, oh, I like this. All right, and we got here USB-C, HDMI, and a little weird thingy on the bottom. Not sure what that is. And then here we're gonna put in the battery, guys. Let's see if there is any juice in it. All right, let's see. Gotta put like so. Maybe right so. Okay. Like this. Nice. Got one big mode dial that actually looks very simple and very like basic like. I wish it was a little bit more sophisticated than this, by the way. On off switch, record button, ISO, the exposure. And here we got this nice switch. I think Nikon has the best switch when it comes down to switching between photo and video. Also really rapid, like really fast to switch around. Not sure if this one has the same thing. Nice little joystick, by the way, feels really nice. The grip is nice. Front dial and a back dial, so for the ISO and aperture and stuff like that. So let's try to turn it on to see if this got any juice. Yes, it does. And how much juice does it have? Not that much, I think. Oh yeah, it does have quite some. Before taking photos, rotate the zoom ring to extend the lens. Right, okay. This one is the ISO, I see. What mode is it? In shutter. I'm gonna put it to manual. ISO is auto. Okay. Feels real good. Looks really weird, by the way, if you just look at it like this. Doesn't look like a cool camera or anything. Alright, first photo taken. Alright, I'm gonna turn off the overhead cam. So overhead camera is off. I'm gonna switch that SD card slot with the one that I got here. So I hope that didn't interfere too much. So here it is, SD card slots going in into the number one. All right, pretty cool, pretty cool. Okay, let's take the first photo. I'm not even sure what kind of mode I'm in. It's a JPEG, RAW, I don't know at all. I don't see it. Anyway, just let's take the first photo together, right? First photo, here it is. All right. Does it look any good? How can I see it? Oh, cool. It looks actually pretty sharp. I like the screen on the back. I like it. Okay. Always when you wear a cap, it's always difficult. Okay, nice. The viewfinder is very clear and crispy. Whew. Alright, let's switch things around. I'm gonna switch now with the Sony camera, with this Nikon camera, to see what the image is looking like. Looking like? Anyways, I'm gonna switch it and then we'll see the footage coming out of this Nikon C5. Alright, and this is now the image that you're seeing from the Nikon C5 in 4K 25 frames per second. And how does it look? I think it looks pretty cool. I see that there's a yellow box on my face, so the face recognition is the face detection is working pretty fine, I guess. So let's do a quick autofocus test, and let's do it like this. Does it focus on this or not at all? Stays locked on my face, I guess. Alright, Nikon, are you working or not? Alright. Anyways, that's all for this video. I'm gonna test out this Nikon C5, bring it outside in the field. And this weekend it should be snowing here in the Netherlands, so maybe do some nice snowy shots, some winter shots, right? So I think that's all for today's video, guys. See you in the next one. As always, stay safe and stay healthy. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if not already to see the full review in a couple of weeks. Alright, see you in the next one. Bye bye.